I want you to take a look around your life right now. You woke up this morning and you checked a smartphone that you do not own. You're leasing it from your carrier on a 36-month upgrade plan. You got into a car that you do not own. You are renting it from a dealership for $600 a month, and you have to give it back in 3 years. You drove to a job listening to music on Spotify that you do not own. You came home to an apartment you do not own, watched a movie on Netflix that you do not own, and edited a document using Microsoft software that you pay for every single month but will never actually own. A few years ago, a global economic forum infamously predicted you will own nothing and you will be happy. Well, welcome to 2026. They were half right. You own absolutely nothing, but you are far from happy. You are exhausted, you are stressed, and despite making a good salary, you feel completely broke. My name is Zishan, and welcome back to the Wealth Operating System. Today, we are going to have a very serious one-on-one conversation. I am going to show you exactly how the modern economy has installed a silent malware into your financial system. It is called the subscription economy, and it is mathematically designed to drain your cash flow so that you can never build real wealth. I am going to break down the exact math of how renting your life is costing you hundreds of thousands of dollars. And then I'm going to give you the ownership protocol, the exact code to escape this trap and take your wealth back. Turn off your notifications, listen to me carefully. Let's debug your system. To understand why you feel broke, you have to understand how corporations view you. In the world of finance and software engineering, there's a metric called LTV, lifetime value. 10 years ago, if a company wanted your money, they had to build a great product and sell it to you once. If you bought a car, you paid for it, you kept it for 10 years, and you owned the asset. The company made a one-time profit. Wall Street absolutely hated this. They realized that allowing you to own things was inefficient for their stock prices. So they engineered a new financial model, MRR, monthly recurring revenue. The goal of the 2026 economy is no longer to sell you a product. The goal is to turn you into a permanent subscriber. And they do this by hacking human psychology. Human beings are terrible at calculating long-term math. If I tell you a software program costs $1,500, your brain panics and says no. But if I tell you it costs $29 a month, your brain says, oh, that's just the price of a few coffees. This is the monthly payment trap. Corporations have convinced the middle class to stop looking at the total price of an item and to only look at the monthly payment. You no longer ask, can I afford this $45,000 car? You ask, can I afford the $600 monthly payment? When you base your life on monthly payments, you are voluntarily signing up to have your liquidity drained. You become a cash flow generator for billionaires, while your own personal balance sheet remains at zero. We don't deal with theories on this channel. We deal with hard mathematics. I want to introduce you to David. David is 32 years old. He makes $85,000 a year. To society, David looks incredibly successful. He drives a brand new BMW, he has the latest iPhone 17 Pro, and he lives in a luxury high-rise apartment. But if we look at David's financial operating system, it is completely hollow. David has a net worth of zero. Let me show you exactly why. Let's look at David's own nothing expenses over a 10-year period. First, the car. David leases his BMW for $600 a month. He loves the feeling of getting a new car every 3 years. $600 a month multiplied by 12 months is $7,200 a year. Over 10 years, David will pay $72,000 to the dealership. And at the end of decade, what does he own? Nothing. He has to hand the keys back. Second, his technology. David is on the upgrade program. He pays $60 a month to always have the newest iPhone and Apple Watch. Over 10 years, that is $7,200, and he never actually owns the hardware. Third, his digital life. Netflix, Spotify, Amazon Prime, cloud storage, gym membership, and a meal delivery kit. These micro subscriptions feel harmless. They add up to about $250 a month. Over 10 years, that is $30,000. If we add just those three categories together, the car lease, the tech lease, and the digital subscriptions, David is bleeding $109,200 over 10 years. Over $100,000 of pure liquidity gone, evaporated into the corporate machine. Now, I want you to look at the opportunity cost. This is the math that keeps me awake at night. What if David had bought a reliable, used Toyota for cash and kept it? What if he kept his phone for 4 years instead of upgrading? What if he audited his subscriptions and reduced that monthly bleed? If David took that exact same $910 a month and deployed it into an S&P 500 index fund, returning a historical average of 8%, do you know how much money he would have after 10 years? He wouldn't just have his $109,000 back. Thanks to compound interest, David would have over $167,000. David is not broke because he doesn't make enough money. David is broke because he's trapped in the own-nothing loop. He's renting a millionaire lifestyle today by sacrificing his actual millions tomorrow. You need to realize that this is not an accident. This is an aggressive corporate strategy called XaaS, everything as a service. We used to buy video games on a disc. We owned them forever. Now you pay $15 a month for Xbox Game Pass. If you stop paying, your access is revoked immediately. We used to buy Adobe Photoshop on a CD for a one-time fee. Now, designers are forced to pay $50 a month every month for the rest of their careers just to use the tool they need to survive. Car companies are now testing subscriptions for hardware already installed in your car. Imagine buying a car but having to pay a $15 monthly subscription just to turn on the heated seats. This is not science fiction. This is happening right now in 2026. When you subscribe to life, you are constantly walking on a financial treadmill. You can never stop running. If you lose your job, your world collapses instantly because your overhead is massive and you have no owned assets to fall back on. In the wealth operating system, we have a very simple rule. If you do not own the asset, you are the yield. Wall Street billionaires are collecting dividends because millions of people like David are perfectly happy renting their lives. We are going to flip that equation right now. You are watching this video because you're tired of being the consumer. You are ready to become the engineer of your own wealth. Here's the exact 3-step protocol to debug your finances and escape the own-nothing trap. Step 1. The liquidity audit. Kill the leeches. Tonight, you are going to sit down with your last 3 months of bank statements. You are going to look for every single recurring charge. I want you to be absolutely ruthless. If you are paying $120 a month for a gym you visit twice a year, cancel it. If you have 4 streaming services, cancel 3 of them. You can only watch one screen at a time anyway. Every $50 you reclaim from a subscription is $50 of permanent monthly liquidity that we can redirect into asset creation. Step 2. The buy-to-own mandate. From this day forward, you are going to stop leasing depreciating assets. A car is a tool to get you from point A to point B safely. It is not a status symbol. Stop leasing cars. You are paying for the steepest curve of depreciation and getting zero equity in return. Save your cash, buy a high-quality pre-owned vehicle, take care of it, and drive it into the ground. When you do not have a $600 car payment, your financial breathing room expands massively. The same applies to your technology. Stop upgrading your phone every year. Buy a phone, hold it for 4 to 5 years, and refuse to pay the monthly hardware subscription fee to your carrier. If an item loses value over time, you must buy it outright and keep it as long as possible. Step 3. Become the yield collector. Flip the system. This is where you graduate from the middle class to the 1%. Now that you have audited your subscriptions and stopped leasing cars, you are going to have surplus cash flow at the end of the month. You are going to take that exact cash flow and you are going to buy the very companies that are running the subscription models. Instead of paying Apple's $60 a month for an iPhone lease, you are going to use that $60 to buy shares of Apple stock. Instead of paying a massive premium to rent an apartment forever, you are going to invest a portion of your money into REITs, real estate investment trusts, so that you are the one collecting the rental income from commercial properties. Do you see the architecture shift? The broke person pays recurring revenue to the corporation. The wealthy person owns the corporation and collects the recurring revenue. You must transition from being a subscriber to being a shareholder. The 2026 economy is incredibly hostile to the uneducated. The system is perfectly engineered to separate you from your money $20 at a time until you are 65 years old and entirely dependent on the government to survive. But you have a choice. You can be like David. You can lease the BMW, you can subscribe to the luxury life, and you can pretend to be rich while your bank account sits at zero. Or you can install the wealth operating system. You can ruthlessly cut your recurring expenses, buy your assets outright, and deploy your capital into the stock market so that it works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Ownership is not just about having your name on a title. Ownership is about buying back your time. It is about waking up on a Monday morning and knowing that you do not have to endure a toxic job just to make your lease payments. You cannot control inflation. You cannot control corporate greed, but you can absolutely control your own personal financial architecture. Stop renting your life. Start owning your future. If this masterclass changed the way you view money, hit that subscribe button to permanently install the system. I want you to go into the comments right now and tell me what is the one useless subscription you are going to cancel tonight to start taking your liquidity back. Trust the math, execute the protocol, and I will see you in the next update.